Okay, today I'm at the Oxford house. We're getting close to finish the house, and I would like to show you the kitchen cabins, how it looks now. We're gonna paint it. My helper is gonna paint finally. I want to talk to you about one of my special helper. The nickname is Speedy. He does not mind working in rain. He get all wet. So in this moment he's mad at himself because he failed the drug test and the alcohol test, and he said he will turn him to the jail. But I will try to convince him to don't go to the jail, and that I will drive him to those meetings so that he can pass his test. So I will show you outside. So here it is. And I want to say to you that nobody will hire him the way he is, but I always have compassion for people. Until next time.